The Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao was once a violence-torn region in the southern Philippines. The 5 decades of armed conflict came to an end when the Philippine government and Bangsamoro's combatants signed a peace agreement in 2014. In 2018, then-President Rodrigo Duterte signed the Bangsamoro Organic Law, paving the way for the 2019 creation of BARMM, which has a 6-year transition period. According to Ahod Ibrahim, BARMM Chief Minister, the security situation in the region has significantly improved in the past years, and a development plan to alleviate widespread poverty is in place.
The peace and order situation in the area improved significantly. As far as the analysis of both local and foreign partners, they are confident that the peace and order situation will continue to prevail.
As one of the poorest regions in the Southeast Asian country, there is still a long way for BARMM to reach its ambitious achievements.
We have declared as our priority four fields. One is medical and health area. The second is on infrastructure, and then education also is another priority, and social services. So this is the area where we focus more. We see that now we recommend that foreign visitors can come in. Many of them already from Europe and are already also engaged.
In September this year, Philippine President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos expressed his administration's full and unwavering support for the peace process in the region.
I look forward to the fulfillment of your vision to realize a united, enlightened, self-governing, peaceful, just, morally upright, and progressive Bangsamoro.
Given its strategic location, dynamic labor force, and rich natural resources, BARMM is working to tap its high potential for growth and development.